Are you tired of waiting months for your vegetables to grow? Do you want fresh, homegrown produce but don't have the patience to wait for it? Well, I've got the solution you've been waiting for. Don't waste another minute waiting for your garden to grow. Some varieties of radishes can be ready to harvest in as little as 20 days. Radishes have a crisp texture and a sharp, slightly spicy flavor. The taste can vary depending on the type of radish, with some being milder or sweeter than others. Common uses for radishes include adding them to salads, roasting them in the oven, and including them in stir-fry, or my favorite, garden candy. Baby lettuce leaves can be harvested in as little as 30 days. Lettuce is commonly used as the base of many salads. It adds a refreshing crunch and pairs well with a variety of other vegetables and toppings. Lettuce leaves can be used in place of bread or tortillas to create a low-carb sandwich or wrap. It provides a crispy texture and can help hold the fillings together. Spinach can be ready to harvest in 30 to 40 days. Spinach is a versatile leafy green that can be used in a variety of ways. Add a handful of spinach to your salad or your smoothie to add vitamins and minerals. Saute or stir-fry some spinach with garlic, olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper to create a quick and easy side dish. Green onions can be harvested in as little as 30 days. Green onions, also known as scallions, are a versatile ingredient that can add a fresh and slightly sweet flavor to a variety of dishes, such as salads, soups, and stir-fries. They also add a wonderfully mild onion flavor to fresh salsas and omelets. Baby kale leaves can be harvested in 30 to 40 days. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Tender young kale leaves can be used in soups, salads, stir-fries, and smoothies. Kale can also be seasoned with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and roasted until crispy in the oven to make kale chips. It can also be roasted alongside other vegetables such as sweet potatoes or butternut squash for a healthy and flavorful side dish. Bush beans can be ready to harvest in 40 to 60 days. Green beans are a versatile and nutritious vegetable that can be used in many different dishes. Green beans can be steamed, blanched, or roasted and served as a simple side dish seasoned with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. They are great with cherry tomatoes, red onions, and a simple vinaigrette dressing. Green beans can also be used in casseroles such as the classic green bean casserole, but my favorite way of eating green beans is raw in the garden. More garden candy! While this is fine in small amounts, green beans contain lectins, an anti-nutrient that if eaten in large amounts can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Lectins are destroyed in the cooking process, making beans perfectly safe to eat once they're cooked. Also, kidney beans especially, but all other dried beans, have the highest concentration of lectins and should never be eaten raw. But snacking on a few raw green beans while you're working in the garden won't hurt you. Some varieties of cucumbers can be ready for harvest in 50 to 60 days. Cucumbers are a refreshing and versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes such as salads, pickles, or blended into smoothies. This is another garden candy for me. I love cucumbers that are about 3 to 4 inches long to munch on while I'm weeding. Zucchini can be ready to harvest in 45 to 60 days. Zucchini is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. It can be sliced lengthwise and grilled with a drizzle of olive oil and seasoning for a delicious side dish. It can be spiralized into zoodles and used as a healthy substitute for pasta in dishes such as spaghetti or stir-fries. Zucchini can be halved lengthwise, scooped out, and stuffed with a mixture of ground meat, vegetables, and cheese for a delicious and hearty main dish. And it makes a great summer gift for all your friends and family. Because zucchini is so prolific, you will soon have more than you can handle and will be giving it to everyone you know, even to people you don't know. Plant your zucchini today so you can be sneaking it into everyone's car in about 2 months. Thank you for stopping by the old Mayfield place today. Stay healthy, get to planting, and have a blessed week.